Welcome to the introductory video on the reports capability in the Elevate platform. Program managers in education and administrators or district officials of other sectors often struggle to make sense of large amounts of data collected from various programs and initiatives. Without a structured way to analyze and visualize this data, stakeholders may find it difficult to track progress and make informed decisions. How can we then transform raw data into meaningful insights that drive impactful actions? The reports capability in Elevate is designed to address this challenge. It enables stakeholders to generate powerful data-driven insights through interactive dashboards and visual reports. This capability extracts data from key Elevate capabilities and converts it into visually compelling dashboards and structured reports. With customizable analytics, real-time data processing, and role-based access, the reports capability empowers organizations to monitor progress, identify trends, and make well-informed decisions that lead to meaningful impact. The reports capability is designed for a wide range of stakeholders who require data-backed decision-making in their programs. Whether you're a state administrator, program manager, or corporate leader, the reports capability adapts to your unique needs. Originally developed for education, it now serves multiple sectors that require structured reporting, including healthcare, social services, and corporate environments. For instance, state and district administrators use it to assess program effectiveness and allocate resources efficiently. Program and project managers use it to track program performance and adjust strategies for better implementation. And finally, in the corporate sector, leadership teams leverage our capability to gain insights that drive strategy development and implementation. To ensure data security and relevance, the reports capability includes role-based access controls. Administrators can set permissions and control who views or edits reports. State and district officials can access high-level program data for policy and resource allocation. Program managers can drill down into granular data to optimize program execution. This ensures confidentiality, accessibility, and usability for all users. The reports capability enables our stakeholders to pull real-time data from multiple sources and convert it into structured, usable formats, create interactive dashboards tailored to specific needs with filters and data breakdowns, export reports in CSV and PDF formats for further analysis and offline reference, use role-based permissions to ensure secure data access for different users, leverage data insights to drive informed decision-making and improve program outcomes. The visualization tool in the reports capability offers pre-built dashboards for immediate access to insights, customizable dashboards that allow users to add filters, track specific metrics, and visualize data at different levels such as block, district, or state, downloadable reports for offline analysis and documentation. The reports capability helps organizations with data-driven decision-making by making informed choices based on real-time analytics, scalability and flexibility by applying reporting tools across multiple sectors from education to healthcare, actionable insights by identifying trends, gaps, and opportunities to improve program impact, secure and structured access to critical data through role-based permissions. The reports capability in Elevate is ideal for organizations looking to make sense of complex data. It enables stakeholders to move beyond numbers and take meaningful data-driven actions. So start leveraging reports today to make better, smarter decisions for your programs.